Hello YouTubers, this is Darklord.Asmodeus and welcome to a pack opening video. And right here I have 42 Cosmo Blazar packs. This side is going to be the lowest weighted side, this is going to be the highest weighted side. So I'm going to start off by opening the highest weighted side, which is approximately 12.7 grams. And also I have Antron and Austin here. You may or may not be able to hear them.
Oh well.
First pack. Always gonna pull something.
I like how Asmo forgot Necro.
Well, Necro's here too, whatever.
Yeah.
So, Brotherhood of Firefist Hawk, Xyz Double, Xyz Cerberus, Dying Dice, Heraldry Reborn, and a number 92 Heart Earth Dragon. Ghost Rare.
Nice. Oh, not bad.
Separate the... There you go. Already pulled a Ghost Rare first pack because I know the weights of the packs.
Hooray. Still. Yeah.
Okay, so now let's open our second pack.
Still looking very loud, I see.
Actually, do these have 10 cards in them? It feels like 10. Anyway. Leotor. Something Abyssidus, Heraldry Twin Edge, and a Brotherhood Firefist Lion Emperor.
Oh god.
I don't even see that in use at all, ever. This should go here. Oh yeah, Dimension Gate is good. So good. Well, it depends. Well, if you use Dimension Gate in the Elemental Dragons, like they attack into your Elemental Dragon and then you just Dimension Gate, you get a search during their turn. They continue attacking, right? The Elemental Dragon's gonna summon back because of Dimension Gate's effect. And then what you end up with is like, okay, I got a search and now it's back, and then since Elemental Dragons can only activate once per turn, and only one of their effects per turn, it doesn't return to your hand when you're done. When the opponent is done with their turn. But it's like...
all of the broken.
Yeah. Searching during opponent's turn is pretty good.
Yeah.
XYZ Trivial, 10 Key, Nari Fire, Ignition Beast, Volcanon, Brotherhood of Firefist Gorilla, and a Breakthrough Skill.
Oh, I want that breakthrough.
Xyz Dimension and Hazy Pillar. Breakthrough Skill, so good!
Yeah.
It's like an Effect Valor, and then it turns into a during your own turn Effect Valor.
Yeah.
So the weights of the pack do determine whether or not there's a super rare in there. The thing is, there's a small chance that some of these packs might have 8 cards, so the lowest pack may have some good card either too. I once got a pack that had 10 cards. There were no good cards in it. So we have Trivials, another 10 Key, another Nari Fire. What the heck? Oh, okay. That was weird. The same 5 cards that I got last pack. Anyway, Infernal Flame Vixen, and a Mermail Abyssdine.
And then you thought when you get the 75 cards. Yeah.
Is Abyssdine even used? I don't think it is used.
Not anymore.
Not anymore?
Not anymore. Oh, that sounds like Oracle is great.
The Spear Shark, Hawk, Xyz Double Back, Hazy Flame Cerberus, Infernity Archer, and a Brotherhood of the Firefist Tiger King. Sunbird, Ultimate Shield, Heraldic Unicorn. Fire Key. We're getting closer and closer to the middle. And the middle is probably not going to have anything. Unless this pile is actually all of the good piles and above, then that'd be pretty awesome. I would hope so. So we got Abyss Core, Hazy Flame Cerberus, Hazy Flame Sphinx, Xyz Remora, Blackwing Damascus, the Polar Knight. This is the 500 booster, and a Reaper of Prophecy.
Oh.
Yeah, Reaper build is not as prevalent anymore. It's all about just High Priestess and Spellbook Judgment Day.
All of the broken.
Okay, last pack weighing at is it 12.65 and above. So Vixie's Double Back, Garbage Ogre, Abyss Scorn, Hazy Flame Cerebus, another Damascus, and a Lightning Chidori. Lightning Chidori is so good. I'm gonna try to stock up as much as I can. And then eventually it will become easy to summon. Tensu, Hazy Glory, and Double Shark. I saw there was a Lightning Chidori on the ground when I was judging a regional. Didn't pick it up. Wasn't mine. It's just laying there on the ground. No one noticed.
Your card is going to be the death of you.
Okay, so we are digging into our packs that are 12.6 grams or higher. Dimension Gate, Spell Wall, March of the Monarchs, Herald Beast Eagle, Ultimate Fire Formation, and a Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Lion Emperor. So I'm guessing these are varied. Maybe these packs should have all good so far, based on the one thing that I just pulled. Hope so. The next one. I want to pull a bear, because everyone wants a bear for some reason.
So it is like Confused, King Khan, Stellar,
Dimension Gate, Tenken, Inari Fire, Spear Shark, Slacker Magician, and a Mermail Abyss Lead. Why no Megalo? Why aren't you a Megalo? My first secret rare here.
This way. Won't matter.
How much is Abyss Lead worth?
Probably a whole bunch.
No, I don't think so. You need 3 water monsters in your hand, so you have to negate the summon. You're like, well, I end my turn.
Well, that's if you have 3 Atlanteans and I'll help them for 2. Oh my god.
So we have Hawk, another Tenki, another Leontar, Abyss Gale, Vanishing Knight, and a Brotherhood of the Firefist Dragon. Basilisk.
Yeah, dragon's nice.
Not a lot of people are looking for it though, so it's like, eh.
Yeah. Let's see. Completely listening. I see Abyss Leads. Secret rare for $8 to $9.
Yeah, 8 or 9.
$10. There's a 14. I see a 15.
So there's the Trivial's Tenki, Nari Fire, Ignition Beast Volcan, Parallel Beast Twin Eagle, and a Noble Arms Caliburn. Garbage Lord, Fire from Motion Tensi, and a Hazy Glory.
So,
Man, this whole pile is amazing.
A Mermail Abyss Lead can get anywhere from $8 to $20.
8 to 20? Abyss Lead for 8 to 20, and it's like, okay. For secret rare.
Yeah, for secret rare. And those are all completely listened.
Red Duston. Dustons are gonna be broke eventually. Hawk.
All of them.
Go. Ghost. Leonatar. Slacker Magician. And I got nothing. Tensu, Hazy Glory, and another Double Shark. That was the first pack of this pile that didn't get me any super rares. Got Dimension Gates, Spell Wall, March of the Monarchs, Heraldic Beast, Eagle, Brotherhood of Firefist Spirit, and we got nothing. The first few packs were good though. Weird. Cerebus, Dice Nide, Garbage Ogre, Heraldry Change, Heraldry Reborn, and 0 blocker, nothing. We got 1 secret rare so far. Seize Remora, March of the Monarchs, Firefist Hawk, 10 key, Blackwing Gladius, Midnight, and Heraldic Beast Basilisk, and nothing. Excuse me. My friend's been bothering me to open these packs for a while. It's like, I want your trades. I'm like, just wait a second, man.
What the fuck, man?
It's the Dimension Gate, Spell Wall, March of the Water, Heraldic Beast Eagle, Hazy Flame Minotaur, and just rest is nothing. Getting more nothings. There's gonna be a ultimate rare somewhere in here, I hope. March of the Monarchs, Hawk, 10 key, Minotaur, Ultimate Fire Formation, and Dragon Pact and nothing. Dodo, Hazy Glory, Garbage Lord. These packs are now depressing. Maybe I should have waited and pulled the heavier packs later.
Yeah.
Go, Ghost. Sphinx, Ignition Volcan, Excuse Tribune. Ooh, Gorilla, and an Orbital 7, which will never see play.
That's just the Super Defense Robo, bringing it back.
Super Defense Robo?
Yes.
That's weird.
It works with over the 7 though.
Oh.
And the rest is like the photon. I don't know why. You don't just put the photon, just do it. You don't have kind of a good kind of.
Spear Shark, Eagle, Spell Wall, Abyss Corn, Sato, and Double Shark, and Nuts. Go, Ghost, Hazy Flame Sphinx, Ignition Volcan, Excuse Tribute, Hyper Ancient Shark Megalodon.
No, like, you do? Oh, okay.
What else has? That's the pack.
So with Garbage Ogre, Heraldry Change, Spear Shark, Heraldry Beast Eel, Noble Knight Joan, and a ZW Leo Arms.
Oh, I got that. Oh,
Direct Impact, Dodo Bot, and Hazy Glory. Excuse me. ZWs are broken only if you're able to get the lock, but it's so hard to get the lock, it's not worth it.
Wind up for able to do it fairly consistently.
Okay, so we are heading over to our 12.55 grams or higher pack.
I'm sliding token. Sliding token. I have a slime token. Your argument is invalid.
Ignition Volcan, go, Ghost, Exceed Double Back, Dimension Gate, Heraldry Reborn, and Dodo Bot, Hazy Glory, Garbage Lord, Tetsu.
Ooh, summon. Ooh, I don't like that name. That Rescue Rabbit. That's really sexy Rescue Rabbit.
There's no Rescue Rabbits in here. What are you talking about?
No, I'm talking about, what's it called?
Oh. Tributes, Tenki, Fire Nari, Ignition, Hazy Basilisk, Direct Impact, Hazy Pillar, Raven, and After the Storm. If you notice, some of these fonts are bigger. You notice that?
Yeah.
Like some of the ones that have less font are bigger font.
Yeah.
They changed the pictures too to make it bigger.
Slightly?
Yeah, it's like
I didn't notice.
They've been did that a long time ago.
Ken, Minari Fire, Spirit Shark, Xyz Double Back, Brotherhood Firefish Gorilla, and we got nothing. This commons pal is getting very, very large.
I am down to 50 LP.
Congratulations, you have won the 50 LP game. Click here to receive your prize. Is he Flame Sphinx? Volcan, Xyz Trivials, Xyz Remora, Damascus, and we got nothing.
Yay, we get nothing.
Oh, there's an ultimate rare here. Doesn't Bear come an ultimate rare? Maybe. Whatever. Find out later. If I do pull it, then I pull it. Red Dust on. Hawk, Go 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 Ghost. Leotar, Hazy Flame Periton. Bacon Saber. Da, da.
So I have 4 1700. Oh. I lose the magic filling here.
You lost against the AI?
Yeah.
Go 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 Ghost. Xyz Double Back, Dimension Gate, Abyss Scorn, Spirit, Bacon Saber, and the rest are gone. No ultimate rare yet.
Yeah.
Larger Change, Epicedus, ZW Tornado Bringer, a Raven, and the rest are nothing. Probably split this pile into 2 because it's getting so huge.
No.
Tenki, Inari Fire, Ignition Volcan, Eagle. There's a secret rare in here? What? Wait.
What happened?
That was weird. That was a low weighing pack. I think there are 8 cards in this pack. Whatever. Inari Fire, Ignition Volcan. Well, we'll see in the video. Someone might comment. Beast Eel. Hazy Flame Periton, Mystical Fairy. Is it Elfuria? To win support.
Oh, damn, yeah.
That was weird. There's secret in that pack. Way less though. Electric Beast, Heraldic Beast Eel, Xyz Tribunes, Tenki, Inari Fire, Infernity Archer, Double Shark, After the Storm, etc. etc. Red Dust on. Hawk, Go 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 Ghost, Leotar, Infernity Archer, and to Also, if anyone is looking to trade, I do have a trade cards online account. These cards should be up in the database by the time this video is posted up. See that? Tenken, ZW Lightning Blade, Hazy Flame Griffin.
I need to check it out.
Hazy Flame Sphinx, Xyz Remora, Heraldry Change, Cetus, Gorilla, and the rest are not so good.
Ooh, that's really very awesome.
Go 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 Ghost, Xyz Double Back, and I think I see an ultimate rare. Dimension Gate, Abyss Scorn, Hyper Ancient Strike Megalo, and a Mermail Abyss ultimate rare. How much does that go for?
What? Tail?
No, Mermail Abyss it's Teus? That was whatever.
Yeah, it's not tail.
Mermail Abyss Teus ultimate rare.
Let's just do that because he's always better.
Leotar, Cetus, Gate, Damascus, Crimson Sunbird, etc., etc. We are down to our last 6 packs. This is Remora, Spear Shark, Hawk, Exceeds Doubleback, Heraldric Beast Leos, Zero Rock. What's it? How's that pronounced? 0 Rock. That's weird.
Oh, that card is just awful.
Wasn't it called like Zero Block or something? Like before? Changed the name, it's so weird now.
I see a big sale at an ultimate rare from $8 to $20.
Great, I am pulling complete derp. And then we have Blaze. So many packs. So many packs.
All of the packs.
The last one, I hope the last one has like 8 cards in it or something. Another Gladius? Spear Shark, Eel, Stonewall, Discord, Perryton, Raven after the storm, Dodo Bot, Spike Shield with Chain. Our second to last pack. Come on, another ultimate. Let's go. Dimension Gate, Abyss Score, Garbage Ogre. Something. I don't even know the pronounce. I don't want to read upside down. Infinity Archer and Dodo Bot, sadly. Raven, Tensu, and a Bacon Saber. Last pack. Let's go.
Ooh, nice to Rebecca.
Izzy Flame Service, Denice, or Denied, whatever, Dice Denied, Garbage Ogre, Heraldry Change, Ultimate Saito, ZW Ultimate Shield, Heraldry Beast, Unicorn, Direct Impact, Hazy Pillar. And that's all of our packs, YouTubers. So I'll leave a link to my my halves list in the description below. So thanks for watching.